If you are a nature lover, you need to see this upcoming Dubai's community. This is Woods by Sobha Century located in Dubai land. Modern design, clean finishes and a layout that makes the space feel larger and more practical. Built for comfort, natural light, smart planning and functional interiors. The community is surrounded by greenery, walking trails and wellness-focused spaces. Starting from around 999,000 dirham only with flexible payment plan. So, if this lifestyle suits you, comment Woods and we'll share all the details with you. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.